But every time I join your lobby, just start recording without telling me.
I'm making chicken wings.
Probably.
Making chicken wings.
Like 4 times.
I
don't know. Why are you asking me like I know?
This come on, let me finish my sentence, bro.
Can you teach me how to equip stuff like this? No!
So easy.
She said yes.
Press A on your controller.
No, I did not shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Yeah. No, you shut your mouth. Yeah, stop burping. All I see is the panties on the wall.
I ain't got no panties on. Sorry.
Jumping on the wall.
That was weird.
Burping on my friends.
That was weird. That was decent. I'd give it a 4 out of 10.
Wait, hold on. We gotta rate the burping. Rate it. What'd you rate it?
Yeah.
Burping contest. Well, or put something, but it has burping in it. Just put burping. That's your YouTube channel. Just burping. But we just burp.
You know what else is crazy? Your face.
Dang! You know what I have to say to that?
Jeez,
You know
bro.
Massive?
You eating chili peppers?
This right here. That right there.
Yeah. Yeah, get it.
Oh.
No, we just.
He's doing the dance.
Oh, what I gotta stretch!
He starts burping.
Oh.
Hey, do the dab, do the dab, do the dab, do the dab, do the dab.
Swish, dish, dish.
Damn. Show the muscles. You gotta show the muscles when you dab.
You know what?
Show us the muscles.
Oh, bro. It's like coming out of my nose.
Jeez, are y'all good? Are y'all good? It sounds like firing. It sound like, wait, burp again, burp again. It sounds like fire. It sounds like firing.
What do you want me to do?
Burp.
No, I don't think I will.
The one that always says burp, he's gonna retire burping now.
Are we serious?
Yeah, like that away.
It sounds like fire.
This is
once he's
comedy.
listen. It sounds like fire, right? It sounds like fire.
you getting this on
Stop
record?
burping. It sounds like he.
You
Record it. You're supposed to record it. Alright, good. He
Am I in
got biceps.
Oh, front double biceps.
Wait. Hold on. I have a question for you, duck boy. Duck man.
What did you just call me?
What'd you do? Duck man. Wait, how come
That's what I say to that.
First of all, how you got bicep but y'all got 6 packs? How you got bicep but you got 6 packs?
I do have a sick bro. Check, move out the way. Look at this. Hold on, let me. Look at this. It's all one. It's all one ab. It's all one. It's all one ab. Yeah.
You definitely gotta get. Are you recording, right? You're recording, right? Definitely get that on the video. You gotta put that on YouTube, bro.
Hey, stop.
Wait. I have a question.
Not
He has
gonna lie, you look
bicep, he has
pregnant
6
from the
packs.
side.
Can I finish my sentence without you burping for once? You got biceps,
Yeah,
you got
dude,
6
you
packs,
ain't got
but what
nothing
about your
from the
legs? Your legs don't have like that have muscle.
I
they're
never
skinny.
skip leg day, dude.
Why are they skinny? They should be big.
They're
Even
not
someone
skinny,
agreed
dude.
with me. Oh, those
That's
legs
peak.
proper skinny.
He said he got biceps and abs and 6 packs, but he doesn't have
You
strong
ain't got legs, eh? That's why.
What'd you say about my
He got
legs?
skinny legs. He got
You
skinny
ain't got
legs.
legs,
Why?
eh?
You know what? I don't like that.
Go get your carrot skin on.
Carrot's getting fat.
Bro got 6 packs. Alright, let's see him.
Oh yeah.
Carrot man, he got all of that.
This is peak. Yo, yeah, check.
Damn.
My forearms are crooked.
You
Oh
got
yeah, he got the abs. Look at
He
that.
got a
look at
willy.
that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Wait, guys, I have a question. Why does he have a tiny carrot going down? What is that carrot?
That's tiny.
That's
dude.
his willy.
Look at that.
That's his willy.
Bro, it looks
That's why
like
I'm
carrot
fat.
who's like transforming. It's like there's one carrot down here, and then you just put like 4 extra carrots, 2 on the arms, and then 2 on the legs.
Why did the arms look
To make
like
it
that? Bro.
Bro, hold on. Check the cut. Check the cut. It's like a.
You be
It's like a.
you be working out, right? You be working
I
out.
want to be Mohawk.
Wait, guys, I have a question. Which one look better, Carrot Man or Duck Boy?
No.
Definitely, he got the
Not the
abs.
best one.
He got that. He got the strong muscles.
Bro,
This carrot got
I
nothing.
mean, look at it. Oh, bro, I'm like slim.
All the girls want that.
Literally, dude. I turned vegan.
Well, we came in. Wait, you turned vegan? Wait, if you turn vegan, doesn't that mean you only eat your own kind since you turn vegan?
And he has a
No.
willy.
I just don't eat carrots.
I'm just gonna eat other vegetables. You're gonna
Yeah.
eat your own
I
kind.
hate carrots.
Don't worry.
Hey, you're getting told you're getting peeled.
Alright, ready? I'm peeling you.
What'd you just say? Buddy.
Don't worry, I could chop them up to little pieces. Come here, carrot boy.
Yeah, yeah.
Bro had his
Just
mouth
gave you-
open and
just gave you
everything.
knockout gas.
Don't worry, I could cook the carrot. I'm cooking carrot.
Bro, hold on. Look at the
Yeah.
shoulders, the front, the side.
where's my
delts, they're
skin on?
beautiful.
Where's my skin on the screen?
What is?
Hello?
What are these? What are these? I see red.
Oh,
Well, I am rats.
Jeez, calm down, carrot. Carrot, can you burp again? Can you burp again?
no.
I just want
No.
my face on it.
I don't even
me
burp,
hate
bro. What are you
that.
talking about?
That's a whole lot. He had his mouth open and everything. You did it. Right
Fuck
from
off,
here.
block
Burp.
away.
Sorry, dude. Sorry.
Don't worry.
You gotta get.
Don't worry, I can burp the
Can't
carrot.
leave you
Burp
alone.
the carrot. Come here, carrot. Guys, I think Duck Boy came back. Duck Boy's back.
Dude. Okay, I lied. I can't stay vegan forever.
He's flying.
Have you just snorted?
No.
It's like, bro.
I heard the snort. Did anyone else?
Bucky? Yeah.
He said he ate piece of your brother. He cooked him KFC. That's where you going next.
Bro, I burped so loud, Jesus picked me. Jesus wants me to come.
Blocked away while you're at it.
Lock him away. Lock him away. Put him in the dungeon. Fire his family. Fire his ancestors.
No, he's like,
That was
chicken.
quiet, bro. I got that.
that's the quietest one you probably did.
Bro, I try to be quiet and y'all just...
Yeah.
To be honest, if you try, compare everyone burp, but you can't hear that, but you can hear the loud one going over here.
Yeah. If he was awards for being the loudest bear facts, it would go to him.
Huh? I need you to repeat that again, cause you
Did you
burped.
get that one,
Repeat it
dude?
again.
You got that
What?
one?
Repeat that
was
again.
Oh
Wait,
my
what?
god, wait.
If
They
there
just
was, like-
multiplied.
A burping contest for the loudest person, it'll be him.
Alright, yeah.
What? Dude.
Oh my
Honestly,
goodness!
burping's
It's my
burping's
twin!
overrated, dude.
It's my twin!